This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting the live photo properly so Capcut can use it. On your iPhone, open Photos, pick the live photo, then use Share to save as video or export as live photo. This step determines whether you keep motion or get a still sequence. If your live photo is high or uses depth data, convert or export using a converter app first. Once done, make sure the file is in your camera roll or files app so Capcut can import it without compatibility issues. You now bring the exported file into Capcut and preserve the live photo's motion. If you export it as a video, import it directly and place it on the timeline to retain motion and audio. If you exported individual frames, import the entire sequence as images and set duration per frame. Then adjust the clip speed or frame rate, 24 to 60 FPS, depending on smoothness you want. Also make sure to match project aspect ratio and resolution, so motion crops or scale. You finish by editing and exporting the animated clip correctly. Apply speed adjustments, loop, or stabilize to polish the motion, then export with original resolution and a common codec like MP4/H. 264 to preserve playback across platforms. If the motion disappears after import, first verify you exported the live photo as video or a full frame sequence. Re-export if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip. If Capcut only shows a still, resave the live photo as video from Photos and re-import. That resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.